What's going on, everybody? We're going to create our custom sub bass, as most people will call it now, 808 style, with this tone generator. The tone generator is just a default stock plugin, effects plugin that comes with Studio One. Here we are, we're setting it to 85 hertz. As you see, that just generates the tone. If you don't have headphones on, by the way, I have headphones on. Your computers and little phone speakers are not going to be picking up what we're doing here, because this is all going to be working in sub bass frequency domains. So here we're just going to use a tone generator. We dial this in. We're going to print it to a new track. We're going to bounce it to a new track. Oh, it was clipping. It's too loud. We're going to dial back. There we go. Now I got a nice solid tone. I could mute the generator, and now what we have on playback is just a tone. Hence, tone generator, right? So yeah. I'm just going to rename this because I got to save it in a file, and we're going to import it into the next VST. By the way, I'm a corporate lackey now, so this video is sponsored by Vigatron.com and V8 Energy, which is just fruit juice and black tea. Alright, this is made by Plug-in Boutique. I want to say you could get it for, I want to say it's either 20 or 30 bucks. It's really cheap. It's called Big Kick. This is fantastic for creating your own custom basses and kicks. You have the top half, which is sample, and the bottom half, which is the body, and you could blend multiple sources of either a tone generator or different kicks. It comes with a bunch of them, but we're just going to use what we created first. So I'm just going to create a new folder inside the session I have. We're going to call it Tone Generator. And I'm going to export the 85 hertz tone that we generated. I'm just going to grab it like this. That's one of the things I love about Studio One. Just throw it in there and I have my WAV file already ready to use. That's one of the ways we were able to make custom sound kits. And as you can see, well, I thought I could drag and drop. I got to find it on the hard drive. That's easy, though. We'll grab this here. It'll be nice. There we go. And boom, it's imported. So now, this is the Big Kick VST by Plug-in Boutique. So I recorded this video here after the fact of the actual video. So you won't see me live playing the keys like I am here. I'm just pushing keys. First, what we want to do, turn that puppy up. There we go. The decay gives it a nice longer. You hear that? That's nice. That's nice. So as you see, when I tell people we make custom sounds and custom sound kits, we're not lying. There we go. Now we're just going to shape this puppy. There we go. Like I said, if you don't have headphones on, you're missing everything that's happening. There we go. I like that. There we go. We're going to shape this, add a little texture to it so it's not just a subtone. I'll go back to this hum. Just a little bit. It gives it a rattle, which is nice. There we go. I'm going to shape it a little bit more. Let's play around over here. Nope. We'll get it to drift. There it is. Boom. Boom. There, so the pitch is drifting there. All right. Now, Now, this is where I recorded in. Just a couple. For some reason, when I was using OBS, the video capture software, my MIDI was all delayed, so I had to keep relining everything. I guess I'll work on that later, but not that it's a big deal. I could just move it. But yeah, my input was on a slight latency delay. But it wasn't when I'm just regularly using it. But you hear that? Here it goes. And we're not done yet. There's my waveform we just created. We bounced it. We'll make it bigger. You can see it. And we're still not done yet, because we're going to add this puppy to sample 1. But first, Guitar Rig has some killer, phenomenal bass amps. I'm just going to go to DI box just to give it a little extra strength. Beefing that signal up a little bit. Hear that? That's what we're looking for. That's exactly what we're looking for. We're still not done though. Keep paying attention. Now we're going to send this puppy, where is it? I think it's in our audio. We're going to send this puppy to Sample 1, which is the sampler built into Studio One. Sample 1's fantastic. That's a whole other video tutorial though. But here it is. We're just going to shape it a little bit more. See, I can play different keys. And then we're just going to shape it up a little bit. Okay, there's the beef we want in the amplifier. Now we're gonna use this cutoff filter. Just take some of the high out. There we go. Yeah, that's some stink face bass. All right. All right, let's test it out. Let's see, what do I want to do? 8 bars, 4 bars. Yeah. Click tracks. I don't have any drums. Just play some basic stuff here. Once again, there's that weird delay. I'm fixing that. Yeah, let's just keep it 4 bars. Stupid delay. Up. Brown note. Kill it. Wow. There you go. I just played random stuff. I wasn't like, there wasn't a key to the song or anything. Typically I would be playing in the key to the song. I was just pushing random notes here, just to show the variation of the different bass signals that we played here. So now, you know what? Let's see what it sounds like over a drum. As you know, we make custom drum kits and sounds as well. So here's from our Sun God Drums Volume 1, all custom-made breakbeats. These have been used by artists who produce for all kinds of people. They really were received well. So here we are, custom-made sub bass. Bounce to that. Yeah. There you have it. We don't need to jack your sounds. We create our own. Peace.